This is Natalie. And she is almost 2 months on September the 14th. And we just woke up. This is my baby girl. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. And she's starting to talk. You know, baby words. And she knows how to hold her bottle a little bit. She knows how to hold her pacifier and take it out. What are you saying? Huh? What are you doing? Remember peekaboo? Peekaboo? Yeah? But she's learning very fast. And she's only almost 2 months. Smart baby. Say hi. Say hi. Why are you trying to hide? Say hi. Hello. 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 Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. Yeah. Say hi. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Say hi. 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 Say hi. Baba. Baba. Anyways, I will do a full body shot. She's growing very fast. And take pictures like every day so you can see the difference every day. There's my adorable baby, Natalie. I love you. Say hi. Hi, Baba. 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 Bye-bye, everybody. Don't hide. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay. This is the most recent video of Natalie.